Welcome to Crisberry Kitchen. So now let's learn how to make these very delicious cakesicles. So let's go. I have 200 grams of chocolate cake here. You can use any cake for this recipe. So first what I will do is I'll just break it into small crumbs. So now I'll run them in my mixer jar for about few seconds to get a powder like texture. So here after running in my mixer jar, I've got the desired texture now. So we'll transfer everything to a bowl. Here I have 75 grams of buttercream. We may not need all the cream now. We'll just take as much as required. So now I'm taking about 2 tablespoons and I'll just get it mixed and combined well. It's easier to do it by hand. So I've added about another tablespoon of cream. Add cream just enough to bind and combine it together, where you can just form a ball like this easily. And here I have my silicone cakesicle mold and few ice cream sticks like this. Now we'll take some of the cake mixture and just fill it into the cakesicle mold, just half of it like this. After having filled half of the mold, just insert the ice cream stick into it carefully. Take some more cake mixture and then fill it again. Repeat the same process for the rest also. Once done, we'll just refrigerate it for an hour. So now using double boiling method, we'll melt our chocolate. First I'm melting my white chocolate. So here I have 100 grams of white chocolate. Melt it on medium heat and keep stirring constantly. After this I'm adding about 50 grams of milk chocolate and then I'll melt it together. This combination makes it really delicious. So after having melted it, we'll turn off the heat, and I've just removed my cakesicles out of the refrigerator. You need to be very careful while taking them out. Push the mold slightly upwards from underneath and then pull it out very gently. Be very careful, don't give too much pressure or you may end up breaking it. Here it is. So now we'll start coating it with chocolate. I just left my bowl over the double boiler with hot water so that my chocolate remains melted. So now I'll slowly and gradually pour the chocolate over the cakesicles. So after it's completely coated with chocolate, I'll just hold it upside down for a few seconds for the excess chocolate to drip, and then I'll place it over a parchment paper to let it dry and come to room temperature. And before it dries, I like to decorate it with some rainbow sprinkles. So it's completely optional. You can just skip it if you don't want to. Let it dry completely. And here our very delicious cakesicles are ready to eat. They are so yummy, so do try it, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.